The Story of a Soul is the title of the book written by Saint Therese about herself. It is her autobiography. And in one portion of that book, she was telling that she has been looking or trying to find herself. What does the Lord want me to do? What is my mission? Because she wanted to be this, she wanted to be like that. She even wanted to be a missionary. And so, in her prayer, she was asking the Lord, Lord, what do you want me to do? Finally, the Lord, in her prayer, revealed that her mission, her vocation is love. Ang kanyang misyon ay pag-ibig. Tamang-tama po yan sa Ebanghelyo natin ngayon. Ang Panginoon ay papunta sa Jerusalem at ang pinaka-shortcut patungo sa Jerusalem ay sa pamamagitan ng Samaria. But you see, the Jews and the Samaritans are fighting among themselves. Mainit ang away sa pagitan ng mga Hudyo at ng mga Samaritano. Kaya nung malaman nila si Jesus ay pupunta sa Jerusalem at dadaan sa Samaria, sabi nila, no way, no entry. And the reaction of James and John is this: Lord, magpababa ka ng apoy para tupukin yung mga taong yan. Turuan natin ng leksyon. And the gospel said, Jesus turned and rebuked them. Here, Jesus did not respond to the rejection with violence, but rather with love. Ang tugon ng Panginoon, hindi paghihiganti. Ang tugon ng Panginoon ay ang pag-ibig at pag-unawa. I know you have many experiences with rejection or with bullying. You have probably experienced being hurt physically or emotionally or psychologically by people. Wala ka namang ginagawang masama, pero masama ang ginagawa sa iyo. The almost automatic response is gumanti. Gumanti. Sinampal mo ko, sasampalin din kita. Sinaktan mo ko, sasaktan din kita. Nilamangan mo ko, humanda ka, lalamangan din kita. And that is the vicious cycle of violence that exists even in the world. One country in war with another country, binomba mo itong lungsod namin, bobombahin din namin ang lungsod ninyo. Pinatay mo yung mga kababayan ko, papatayin ko rin yung mga kababayan mo. And so what happens? Violence continues. We have to break that vicious cycle of violence. And that is what Jesus did. He did not immerse himself in this cycle of violence. He could have done that. He could have sent fire from heaven to teach the Samaritan people a lesson. But he did not do that. Rather, he extended the hand of love. The next time that we are tempted to take revenge, Remember this gospel story and remember the mission, the call of Saint Therese of the Child Jesus, the call to love. Amen.